If you're noticing your iPhone's battery percentage dropping crazy, this could be due to several factors such as high battery usage apps, outdated software, or system glitches. Here is a guide to help you fix iPhone battery percentage dropping fast and improve battery health. Let's get started. Solution 1. Disable visual effects. Certain visual effects and animations consume additional power. Disabling them can reduce battery drains. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap on Accessibility. Tap on Motion. Toggle on Reduced Motion to turn off unnecessary animations and effects. Solution 2. Disable Background App Refresh. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down, tap on Background App Refresh. Select Off to disable Background App Refresh entirely to solve hidden drain issues for your battery. Solution 3. Turn off location services. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services. Scroll down. Tap System Service. Find these alerts that you don't need to run in the background. This can save your battery life 20% or even more. And if you don't need a location always, then you can toggle off location services entirely so that you can save your battery life. Solution 4. Turn off True Tone and reduce screen brightness. Swipe down from the top. Tap and hold the brightness slider. Now turn off True Tone. After that, open Settings on your iPhone, tap on Display and Brightness, adjust the brightness light to a lower level. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your iPhone's battery performance and prevent excessive battery drain. Let me know if these tips helped or if you have more questions about iPhone battery issues.